Siyabonga abazalwane, siyabingelela abahlobo bethu kwa Newsroom Africa. Sibashayela ihlombe egameni likaJesu.
Say hi to the people.
Revelation chapter 13 from verse 11. Then ngicela ukufunda ke bazalwane. Ngizofunda ngolimi lwesingisi bese ufunde ngesiZulu omunye. Then I saw another beast rising out of the earth. It had two horns like a lamb and it spoke like a dragon. It exercises all the authority of the first beast in its place and makes the earth and its inhabitants worship the first beast, whose mortal wound was healed. It performs great signs, even making fire come down from heaven to earth in front of people. And by the signs that it is allowed to work in the presence of the beast, it deceives those who dwell on the earth, telling them to make an image for the beast that was wounded by the sword and yet lived. And it was allowed to give breath to the image of the beast, so that the image of the beast might even speak and speak and might cause those who would not worship the image of the beast to be slain. Also, it causes all, both small and great, both rich and poor, both free and slave, to be marked on the right hand or the forehead, so that no one can buy or sell unless he has the mark that is the name of the beast or the number of its name. This calls for wisdom. Let the number who has understanding, let the one who has understanding calculate the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666. Ngicela ukusho kafushane bazalwane kule nkonzo ukuthi kunento okuthiwa i666, i-mark of the beast. Into ezofakwa ngaphakathi umuntu, ifakwe indawo isiprophet, uNkulunkulu umanikeza isiprophet ubabona bomhlaba beyifaka la esiphongweni forehead noma esandleni kwa right hand. uNkulunkulu obona lokho kungakenzeki, ilezi izinto abazozenza emhlabeni. So ke seqalile njengamanje nge-digital ID. I-digital ID isiprepare lokho. Yini i-motive behind ukushintsha i-identity yomuntu? Once umuntu wamukela i666, identity yakhe isingeka sathane complete. Then ngisho ukuthi useyathanda ukuthethelelwa, ngasekwazi ukuthethelelwa, usefana nesilwane kuNkulunkulu. Then useyinto esifuneka i-destroy. Abazi umkhovu usewumkhovu. Uyazi ukuthi umuntu wenza umkhovu, lokho kuthiwa yini izombi. Useyizombi, usey-useless, sekwinto ofuneka i-destroy. That is why uNkulunkulu uzodestroy umhlaba ekugcineni. So abantu mabevumela lezi zinto zama-injections, ama-vaccines, bavumela uSathane ukuthi kancane kancane ashintshe i-identity yabo ebuNkulunkulu, i-DNA yobuNkulunkulu kubo, so that bezofuza yena. So ke uNkulunkulu asixwayisa ke bazalwane ukuthi sikabantwana bakhe thina sine-DNA yegazi likabantu bazalwane likaJesu Kristu. So ke siyambonga uNkulunkulu osenzile umusa ukuthi sidele konke ukuze sibe protected egameni likaJesu. Amen.
Magabongwe, 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 Jesu, magabongwe, magabongwe, magabongwe,
bese sicela uNkulunkulu abantu bonke abasize emhlabeni wonke. Sicela